Hi everyone and welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today we're diving into the GIF Speed Changer tool on onlinegiftools.com. This tool lets you speed up or slow down your GIF animations, customize frame delays, and even compare your changes in real time. Let's see how it works. The GIF Speed Changer is a browser-based tool designed to adjust the speed of GIFs. The speed is controlled by the delay time between frames, measured in milliseconds. For instance, a 100 millisecond delay equals a frame rate of 10 frames per second, and a 40 millisecond delay results in 25 frames per second. Smaller delays speed up the GIF, while larger delays slow it down. Let's start with an example. We received a GIF that plays at a snail's pace. 88 frames at 120 milliseconds each, making the entire GIF 10.56 seconds long. To speed it up, we'll set the delay to 60 milliseconds, doubling the playback speed. Now the GIF plays in just 5.28 seconds. Watch how much quicker we can see the energetic dance. Now let's look at a very fast GIF of a Coke star fractal. To make it easier to follow, we'll slow it down to 50 milliseconds per frame. The GIF is now much more manageable and allows us to appreciate the details. Finally, let's normalize a chaotic GIF where delays range from 10 milliseconds to 1 second. We'll set all frame delays to 200 milliseconds to create a smooth, consistent viewing experience. That's a wrap for today's tutorial on the GIF Speed Changer tool. We've covered speeding up GIFs, customizing delays, and normalizing frame rates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our previous videos on the JPG to grayscale conversion and JPG quality adjustment tools. Thanks for watching, and as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on Online Tools Master. See you next time.